This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening the Discord app and confirming you have Nitro. That's the only built-in path to change your profile background on mobile. Once done, tap your avatar bottom right to open user settings because the banner control lives under my account. Make sure your image is ready on the phone. Pick a correctly sized JPG or PNG so Discord won't reject it. This gets you immediately to the control panel where the change happens. Now proceed to Edit Profile, tap Change Banner and select Upload Image from your camera roll. You'll see an editor, pinch to zoom and drag to position the crop. This controls how the banner appears across devices. Once aligned, tap Save and confirm any prompts. If you need a transparent look, stick with PNGs. If Discord warns about size, trim the file or re-export at a slightly lower resolution. This step controls the visible background on your profile. Finish by tapping Save and then open your profile to confirm the new background shows correctly. If the upload fails, make sure the file is under Discord's size limit. Compress or resize it and retry. Changing aspect ratio often fixes cropping errors. Remember, without Nitro, you can only toggle light or dark theme on mobile, so purchasing Nitro is the required step if you want a custom banner. If problems persist, restart the app and try the upload again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.